And 112 registers as terminated chance advisory, good day.
Miami departure, Walker 2632 with the ground, Kendall to Miami, looking for clearance over to Boston, Cabell, Jamaica.
Aircraft on standby on request.
Departure, good day, American 2560, we're with you.
American 2560, roger, on our casino, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
And RNF to casino, we're clear for takeoff, runway 26 left, American 2560.
Walker 2632, was it calling for clearance?
Affirm.
Walker 2632, roger, standby 1.
Right, departure today, Felix 83 heavy, 1400.
FedEx 1383 heavy, Miami departure, rate contact, climb and maintain 16,000.
Climbing maintain 16,000, clearing 1383.
Southwest 2908, turn right heading 180.
Right 180, Southwest 2908. One.
Walker 2632, you're clear the Mike Kilo Bravo to your airport. The as filed, con maintain, or correction, on departure maintain 2000, expect hold 23010 minutes, squawk 3560. Read back of initial climb and squawk only.
Okay, initial climb is 2000 and 3560 box.
Read that correct. Break. Southwest 2908, turn right heading 250, intercept the localizer.
Right 250, intercept the localizer, Southwest 2908.
Walker 2632, roger, read back is correct. You can taxi, correction, advise ready for taxi, and you can expect runway 27 left.
Okay, we'll call you when we're ready to taxi, we're expecting 27 left.
Southwest 2908, you're about 6 from the final approach, 6, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared LS runway 28 right approach.
Maintain 4000 until established, clear LS to arrive, Southwest 2908.
C'è il fix cab sotto.
Departure, American 2560, passing 2,500.
American 2560, radar contact, climb maintain 16,000.
16,000 for American 2560.
Southwest 2908, wind 3207, runway 28 right, clear to land.
2 right, clear to land, Southwest 2908.
Southwest 24, cross roads at 6000, cleared LS runway 28 left approach.
Clear for the ILS approach runway 26 left, Southwest 24.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat with your seatbelt visible and fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat with your seatbelt visible and fastened. Thank you.
61383 heavy leaving my airspace, radar service terminated, change to advisory.
Radar service terminated, heading 1383, bye-bye.
Bye.
Miami approach Mountain 987, no copy.
Fine and clear.
Mountain 987 is on the ground at Fort Lauderdale. Request taxi instructions to the FedEx apron.
Sta un po' lì. Un po' di prossimo.
Cargo 987, roger, you can taxi to the ramp via Quebec, hold short of 28 right.
10 atterraggi non abbiamo fatto uno, direi, con...
Non
Quebec, hold
ce
short
n'era
of 28
uno.
right, Mountain 987.
Praticamente tutte le tappe del tour che ho fatto lì erano tutte con crosswind.
Io ieri a Tirana crosswind, oggi crosswind, a Pisa il decollo crosswind, forse a Ginevra che ieri comunque non era drittissimo. I don't always fly in Atene con decollo 17, but when I do I fly Ryanair. Probabilmente il decollo 17 è dovuto a un 1701 nodo.
No, è dovuto a Simbrief che ti mette la 17 con un 1701 nodo.
Sì, sì, è possibile.
Così le bestie.
Il brief è la nuova Bibbia.
Prima mi ha proposto una rotta a Simbrief sul volo che se l'avessi accettata,
Oh
cioè,
sì, sai
era praticamente vor to vor.
Uno potrebbe averla fatta.
Sì, sei lì, vuol dire che...
Se clicchi il tasto ti dice dove salta fuori, se è Real World, Simbrief o Navigraph, roba così.
Lucia Navigraph.
Navigraph è quelle che calcola da solo, Simbrief quelle che ha fatto qualcuno, poi c'è anche Preferred Route, robe così.
Fatemi ridere queste cose che sto atterrando.
Questa è una semi-cheat, mo tutti zitti che vedevo che devo decollare.
Devo atterrare con un crosswind interessante qua
American 201 Miami approach, up.
Go for American 201.
Yep, American 201 information, Charlie's current in Miami, and you can expect the ILS runway 30 approach.
Alright, we have information Charlie on board, and we'll expect ILS runway 30 approach. American 201.
100.
Delta 922 heavy Miami approach, up.
Slide slow. 50. 30. 10.
Miami departure, Charlie Golf Lima Papa Whiskey, ready to taxi with Charlie.
Reverse.
Charlie Golf Lima Papa Whiskey Miami departure, roger, runway 26 left. Correction, runway 26 right, taxi via Kilo.
26 right, taxi via Kilo. Charlie Golf Lima Papa Whiskey.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat back and tray table in their full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use the
On 987, cross runway 28 right. You can taxi to parking via Quebec Alpha.
Please be advised the aircraft doors will be open during
Cross
ground
28 right, agent via Quebec Alpha, Mountain 987.
Southwest 2908, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. You can taxi the ramp via Bravo. Good day.
Ci dovrà più bravo,
Check the
Southwest
monitors in the
2908,
terminal for
sì.
your flight and gate number. We
Yeah.
certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our day with you.
Southwest 922, heavy Miami approach, yep.
And we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines.
Morgan 2632, Roger, wind 3609, our gust 16, flying runway heading runway 27 left, clear for takeoff. Delta 922, heavy radar contacted, lost.
Cazzo, c'è il terrafly fake qua che mi sta attraversando mentre sto scendendo.
Southwest 24, welcome to Miami. You can exit left, join Mike, safe parking.
Locating left, Mike, Southwest.
And Southwest 24, you're gonna park, or are you parking the south side today?
Affirmative.
Southwest 24, Roger, you can taxi parking via Mike, Zulu, Papa, good day.
Mike, Zulu, Papa, thank you, Southwest 24.
American 201, just verify you have the runway 30 transition on board. Appears you just went through it.
Yeah, we have the ILS runway 30 approach, but we might have to extend our downwind. Can we get vectors for that? We're way too high.
American 201, no problem. Flight person heading for now, descend and maintain 5,000 vectors for your approach, for your descent.
Alright, we'll descend and maintain 5,000 for vectors. American 201.
Walker 2632, negative mode Charlie, squawk mode Charlie, please.
Squawk mode Charlie for Walker 2632.
Core Miami,
Sentito anch'io quello lì.
November 6 Alpha,
Viene dalle caverne.
Charlie, our clearance
Il nuovo tipo di pilota di
Romeo, Bravo.
Cavernicolo.
l'uomo delle caverne.
BDC 6 Alpha.
American 201, turn right heading 090.
Right,
Ci sono
090.
tanti personaggi su VATSIM, in effetti, su VATSIM.
Marconista, Matrix, adesso abbiamo anche l'uomo delle caverne. E poi c'è
Diciamo che
Luciano.
poi i Luciani ci sono in
Luciani.
generale come categorie.
Che è una
I see
sottocategoria delle
departure out
bestie.
of Kilo Bravo November Alpha. Just double check your flight plan for me.
Wilco, let me just verify.
I bambini ci sono
Yeah,
anche.
November 6 Alpha, get back to you in a moment.
Lufthansa in particolare, poi è una sottocategoria dei bambini.
6 Alpha Roger, I assume you mean Miami. I can change this for you.
Yeah, I saw that, November 6 Alpha. That was a previous flight plan. I did not change the departure. If you could do that, I'd be grateful. November 6 Alpha.
No problem. It's on request, standby.
Wilco.
Walker 2632, you get that squawk mode Charlie?
Walker 2632, you are radar contact, stay altitude.
We're level at 2000, Walker 2632.
Walker 2632, roger, turn left, heading 180, call maintain 16,000.
Left 180 and up to 116,000, Walker 2632.
American 201, turn right, heading 180.
Right, 180 for American 201.
Attention aircraft information, November now current at 4 Lauderdale, winds are variable, 3 altimeter, tree 000.
L'unica variabile 3 col cazzo, adesso vuoi dire in frequenza, ma
Walker 2632, clear direct Mayak, resume departure. Correction, Dayak, resume departure.
merda.
Clear direct Maniac, cos'è che gli hai detto?
Sarà un fix.
Miami departure, JetBlue 1174.
Heading 201, turn right, heading 240, descend maintain 3000.
Right 240 and down to 3000, American 21.
American, correction, JetBlue 1174, Miami approach.
JetBlue 1174, are you handling the approach from the Lauderdale?
JetBlue 1174, affirmative, squawk 4677.
4677, JetBlue 1174.